Hey beautiful babes, so today we're getting right into the recipe. What we're going to mix up with these ingredients that you see right here is an anti-aging DIY pineapple face mask. All it's going to take, if you recall, on a previous video I pureed a fresh pineapple and we'll be using that. We'll also be making use of a ripened banana, and this one is ripened, but it's great for a face mask. And then we'll also be making use of Moringa oil today. So let's go ahead and prep the banana and get it ready. All we'll need is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the banana. So let's go ahead and get a knife here and slice it and prep it for this recipe. And that should be perfect right there. Let's get a bowl here, and let's just go ahead and get the peel off of it. Perfect. And let's just go ahead and mash that up. See, when it's ripened, see how easy that is to mash. So easy. The pureed pineapple, will be needing just 1 tablespoon of that. So let me get a tablespoon here. And I've already shaken the container, so I'm just scooping out 1 good tablespoon of it like so, putting it in there. Now let's just go ahead and give those 2 ingredients a good stir and mix them all in. Now I'll be adding in a few drops of this Moringa oil. If you don't have Moringa oil, you can also use sweet almond oil. Just take about 2 teaspoons of the sweet almond oil. I'll be just putting in a couple pumps of the Moringa oil. I always shake my oils before using them because you never know if they've settled or just need shaking. Who knows? So, a couple pumps there of the Moringa, and we'll mix it in. And here we are with our anti-aging DIY pineapple mask. Listen y'all, aging skin will love this combination. It is a perfect mixture of exfoliating, nourishing, and regenerating, and even protective agents capable to restore and renew your skin and make it healthy, youthful, and glowing. The pineapple will remove dead skin, dry skin, and will encourage the new cells to grow and stimulate the collagen production. The banana will nourish the skin and deeply moisturize it, regenerate damaged skin, and make it soft and firm and elastic. And the Moringa oil in it will absorb into the skin easily, improving the appearance and radiance of your skin. It has skin healthy nutrients like vitamin A, which helps build collagen in the skin, vitamin C to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and anti-inflammatory benefits of vitamin E. Just do like I did here. Mash the pieces of banana well, add the pineapple and the Moringa or sweet almond oil, whichever one you have, and mix everything until it's smooth like so. Now you can also use a blender if you like. Make sure you start with a clean face. Wash and exfoliate your face would be best. While your skin is still damp, apply the mask and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wipe it off with a clean tissue and wash off the residue. Now let's go wash it off. And here it is. Nice. I love it. Oh, my skin, it does feel quite nourished. I love that. And y'all, you do need to moisturize after this, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to go ahead and apply me some more Moringa oil. That's it. Just a little bit is all you need. Just a pea size, even smaller than that. And pop that on just like so. Oh my goodness. I can still feel my skin tightening. Wow. Girl, look at your girl. Look at your girl. All right. I love it. Yes, I do. She cute. She cute. Oh, yeah. That's a good one, y'all. That's a good one. And again, if you don't have the Moringa oil, go ahead and use some sweet almond oil. Yes, because older skin needs hydration. Exactly, it does. Inside and out. Oh my goodness, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. A DIY anti-aging mask. Bananas, pineapples, and moringa oil. And again, if you don't have moringa, yes, you can use the sweet almond oil. I love this stuff. Y'all, the proof is in the pudding, baby. You better check it out. Look, y'all, I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, loving what I do and doing what I love right here at Beauty by Sweet Angel. I'm just thinking about this mask. It is awesome. You got some old bananas. Did you overbuy bananas? Okay, now you know what to do. Yeah, you can just do the bananas by themselves. I'm telling you right now. Thank you so much, y'all. I'm out of here. Listen, like, comment, subscribe. Please hit the post notification bell because you'll be notified when I upload again, and you want to know, right? That's a good thing. And beautiful babes, listen, if you don't have anything to say in the comment section, keep it nice down there, because I can't believe it must be kids. It's got to be kids that get in my comment section saying some dumb stuff, because I know my adults won't be doing that kind of stuff. But keep it nice, and if you don't have anything to say, please drop me some hearts, and I appreciate you so much. If you made it to the end, beautiful babes, enjoy the rest of the music, and I will see y'all on the next video. And make sure you don't keep me a secret. Please share me with your world, and I'll see you on that video right there. Mwah. Bye.